An HLA lab is the professional matchmakers of the transplant community. We tell people whether or not they genetically match someone for transplant.
We're doing the work that needs to be done so that patients can get a transplant. We're helping to extend their life. That means everything.
So in the middle of the night, when we're doing a donor typing, it is chaos in the laboratory. When we were doing manual extractions, we had a lot of protein, and protein is gunky and it makes your assays look really ugly. So it makes your results look ugly and you might have to repeat something.
The method that we were using to isolate DNA was a hand method. We found that it became very inconsistent from tech to tech, great deal of variability.
When I first saw the Maxwell, I was skeptical. I believed that no automated extractor could extract DNA and get better DNA than I could. I did an extraction and Maxwell did an extraction, and we ran those two extractions side by side. And I knew that my extraction was gonna look better in the end, and I was very woefully mistaken.
Maxwell is good at extracting the really hard sample. So whether I have a beautifully drawn tube with a gorgeous buffy coat, or I have a peds patient that they were only able to get a couple drops of blood on, I know Maxwell is going to be able to provide the best DNA that's available from that sample. At this point, we're in a long-term relationship with Promega's support. They've always been very attentive to our needs.
You can't go wrong with Promega. Their customer service is second to no one. We have yet to have a Maxwell breakdown. And to know that I can go into that lab 24 hours a day and that piece of equipment is always gonna work, it's a peace of mind.